हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। आज हम लोग इसको जो है हम लोग प्रोग्राम करने वाले हैं। ये जो हमारा पार्ट है इसके लिए हम लोग प्रोग्राम करने वाले हैं। तो हमारा मेन पर्पस है हमारा रेडियस कितना का है और रेडियस में हम लोग कौन सा कटर यूज करेंगे, ठीक है ना। तो यही हमारा मेन पर्पस होने वाला है आज का, ठीक है ना। तो बहुत सारे लोगों का क्वेश्चन है कि हमने मान लो अगर यहाँ पे रेडियस है तो किस कटर को यूज करें, विच कटर आई नीड टू यूज इज सुटेबल फॉर द रेडियस। ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी विल एनालाइज द पार्ट. I want to check radius. How much radius is there? There is the 10 mm radius. Okay. So 10 mm radius, that means what? 10 mm into 2. That means 20 flat or 20 bull we can use for that cutter finishing. Okay. So, I can use even 18 flat, 16 flat or whatever we want to use. But minimum 20 flat I will use for that program. Okay. So first I will show you that how can we that working. So this is our top plane. Okay, this is our top plane now. Okay, so this is our 20 bull. We can see over here. Now we will add that corner. Okay, you can see that like that. There is almost full radius has been cleaned. Okay, you can see. Suppose this types of cutter will become or full clean. Okay, this is our 20 bull. You can clean. Okay, but if I choose 25 bull, you can see over here. So what if there will be radius, radius stock will be here. Okay, you can see all wall has been touched, but there is a gap. Okay, so that's why we cannot use 25 bull. We can use 20 bull or at least 18 flat, 16 bull as well as we can use it. 20 bull is great for that programming. Okay, so whatever the radius has been, we need to just into 10 into 2. Suppose here 12 mm radius, so we can do 12 into 2, 24. Okay, 24 cutter we can use for that radius cleaning. Okay, so suppose I have a 16 bull. You can see over here. I have a 16 bull, or I want to clean that area as a radius. Okay, so here will be clean perfectly. Here we can clean also. So up to 20 bull we cannot clean that area. That's our means. Okay, so we will start programming here. I want to use 2D programming. First we will generate workpiece, specify part. This is our part. Okay, or this is our bonding block. Okay, this is our material. Okay, we can see over here. So first I want to use 25 bull for programming. So why I am using 25 bull? That's first question arise. Why I am using 25 bull? Because what is the distance over it? You can see over here. This is our 150. Okay, we also can use 150 bull. Okay, but 50 bull using that means the corner radius will become 25 mm material. They will be there. So I don't want to use. If I use, so radius stock will become that child. So we need to create second program or third program for that finishing program. Okay, so I want to use only 2D programming for 25 bull. So here will become create operation. This is our floor and wall. Okay, programming. I want to use 25 bull. Okay, 25 bull workpiece. This is our roughing program. Roughing program we can use. We will rename 125 bull rough. Okay, okay. We will specify the floor. This is our floor. Okay, automatic wall we will specify. Okay, this is our wall. Automatic. This is our tool 25 bull. Okay, tool axis ZM axis. Okay, this is our axis. Or this is our floor. I want to use follow parapary constant Z. 65% of the tool we will use as a cutting. Okay, so I don't know what is the depth of this face. So first we will analyze the part, measure distance, project distance. This is 2 times this face I will click and 1 time this face I will click. So I will get 25 mm depth. This is okay. So I will put it 25.2 stock. We can put it also 25. Okay, so no problem. Depth of cut 0.2 I want to use. Okay, Cutting parameter, stock I want to use 0.1, okay, or wall stock I want to use 0.1. You can see over here there will be a stock. You can see, hold deeply, you will need to watch. Okay, this is our stock, wall stock. So this is our tolerance. Tolerance we can use 0.5, that means micron 50. Okay, strategy same, connection okay. Okay, just come out, then cutting mode. Okay, then cutting move, open area no. Okay, ramp on shape, this is okay, good. Transfer rapid I want to use automatic plane. This is our 120 mm. Okay, clearance tool between region, previous plane 0.2, 0.5. Okay, engage lift and plunge. Okay, 1 mm we can use over here, or direct previous plane 0.5. Here is okay. I want to use feed rate and speed about 1800, and this is our 25 bull, so we can use 1600 for roughing. Okay, okay, then we will generate the program. So how you can see that there is our programming. This is our rough program. Okay, so now I want to use as a profile finishing program. Okay, this is our rough program has been completed, as you know. So I want to use create operation, mill, contour, and Z level profile. Okay, I want to use 20 bull. I can use minimum. Maximum I can use 25 bull for that 10 mm radius. Okay, whatever the radius has been in profile or model, we will just into that radius. Suppose radius has been 24, I will into 28 48 24 into 2 48. Okay, so we can use as well as possible 48 mm cutter for that radius. So we can use as well as low level of cutter, but after 48 we cannot use for that cleaning area. That's the matter. How much our radius is that, just into. This is our strategy. So I want to use 20 bull. This is our 10 mm radius. I can use maximum 20 bull. Okay, so I want to use 20 bull cutter. Here we will select 20 end mill I want to use. Okay, this is our workpiece. We can use finishing program. Semi finishing we can do it, but I want to do finishing program. This is our 20 end mill finish. Okay, I want to use a specify area, tangent faces, or this is our tangent faces specify area. Okay, this is okay. Depth of cut 0.1. Cutting parameter claim cut stock 0003 Mavron 30. Connection has been stagger ramp on parts 3M. Okay, feed rate about 2000. Okay, or our finishing program has, so I will use RPM 3500. Okay, or generate. You can see here, this is our finishing program. Okay, you can see like that. Or now I want to use that cutter for the floor finishing. Okay, create operation, contour area, mill, floor finish. Okay, specify cut area floor. Okay, this is our floor. Okay, I want to use area milling, edit. I want to use follow parapary, invert cutting. Okay, film cut. Okay, no problem. I want to use 10% of the tool for floor finishing. Okay, that level zigzag we will use 10%. Everything has been 10% here. Okay, okay. Feed and speed, I will use 800, or this is our 4000 for floor finishing. Okay, we will generate the program. You can see here, this is our floor finishing program. Our CAD program has been completed successfully. Okay, so that's our program. You can save. Got that desktop. Okay, I want to save in desktop. Okay, model 1. Okay, So that part has been saved. Okay, so it's time to generate a programming. This is our model. Okay, model 1. Okay, I want to put it over here. Okay, or I want to generate the program as a CNC code, G code. Okay, program here, ठीक है ना. तो ये हमारा प्रोग्राम यहाँ पे मैं जनरेट करने वाला हूँ. ठीक है ना. तो जनरेट करने के लिए हमें क्या करना है, हमें पोस्ट प्रोसेसर चुनना होता है और काम करना पड़ता है. तो ये हमारा कुछ 25 बुल है पोस्ट प्रोसेसर. अब मैं यहाँ से पोस्ट प्रोसेसर लेना चाहता हूँ. कुछ जिस पीसी में हमारा पोस्ट प्रोसेसर होगा, ये एमडीटी का वीएमसी, मद्रास डायरेक्शन टूल वीएमसी, मैं इसी को यूज़ करता हूँ. मैंने इसे अभी मैंने इसे ही बनाया है. मैं पोस्ट प्रोसेसर मैं खुद से बनाता हूँ. ठीक है ना. तो इसे आप ओके कर लीजिए. और आई वांट विच साइड आई वांट टू आउटपुट. ओके, so I want to output that side model or program. Okay, okay, what is that name? Name we will select. Okay, name we need to put it 125 bull rough. Okay, this is our we don't need to set anything here or apply. Program has been generated, as you know. So this is our program. There is a check mark. Now I want to generate the 20 end mill finishing program post processor. Same thing, but we just need to only change the name to or 20 end mill finishing program is there, or we will generate. This is our finishing program. We can cut over here, cancel, or I want to use floor finishing for the 20 end mill. I will post process. Third 20 end mill floor finish. Okay, this is our program has been generated successfully. Okay, now I want to see G code, as you know. So model will come, or I want to come in program. This is our program PTP file. We can generate everything: PTP file, tab file, NC file, whatever we need to use. Or okay, I want to open with Notepad. Okay, we can use in Notepad. This is not a tab file, that's why not coming. G40, G17, G49, G90, G0, G80. This is good. G91, G28, Z0. That means the machine will be go upside first. Or T1, M6. Whatever the tool we are using now for the T1, G5.1 key 1, Q1. That is that code I'm add because it's a full completely complex syllable. That means suppose profile running now, that means you will get top class finishing. That's it. G0, G90, G54. Okay. G0, G90, whatever the spindle or feeder having, that will be run program. Okay, we will come in inside. M9 coolant off. Okay, first you can see over here program has been completed. G0 Z120 has been up. Okay, and then coolant off. G91 G28 Z0 full up has been full. Z home machine home has been gone, and M05 spindle off. Okay, that is our program. M30, that means rewind. This program has been completed. So if any problem, you can ask me. Okay, I will give you the like we are using same post processor. You can use also. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, but please subscribe and like my channel. Okay, thank you. मिलते हैं हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.